Here in the Low Country, we see hurricanes. The Midwest gets tornadoes, and out west, they're dealing with wildfires. But one thing all of these disasters have in common is the need for blood as those regions recover. And that's why National Blood Donor Month is so important. I want to welcome now Dr. Joe Sanfrancesco. He's a pathologist and medical director of the lab at Novant Health East Cooper Medical Center, and Skylar Caligaris. She is with the American Red Cross Donor Recruitment. Thank you both so much for being here with me.
Thank you for having us.
So we've been talking about this in the news so much lately, the impact of the wildfires and other weather all across our U.S. Blood drives are being canceled, and that's not a good thing.
Yeah, absolutely. So the impact of the weather and the disaster over in California has really impacted our collections, especially this month. And what we want to keep in mind is that, you know, we need to keep blood constant. So we always need donors. Blood cannot be manufactured. Every 2 seconds, somebody needs blood. So it's important in times like now where it's very unpredicted. You know, our donor base, we really encourage people to come out and donate because we need to keep up with that constant demand for our patients' needs.
Doctor, tell us why this is so crucial for your industry, having the blood.
Well, I think Skylar just said it. It's needed every day. It's needed for all types of events, whether it's planned surgeries, trauma events, even patients with chronic disease, patients who are on chemotherapy, patients who suffer from chronic blood diseases. It's a resource that needs to be replenished, and as Skylar said, the only way we can replenish it is with donors who take the time of their day to come in and chip in.
And I guess as people are making those New Year's resolutions, we're ending an old year, bringing in a new one. January is National Blood Donor Month. Why is that so important?
Yeah, so we've been celebrating National Blood Donor Month since 1970. And it's super important because we want to give thanks to our blood donors, our platelet donors, people who are very consistent with helping save the lives of others. We also really want to encourage people who haven't donated before to come out and give it a shot. It's a really simple process. It makes such a difference. One donation can save multiple lives. So, you know, this month is really important for people who want to make a New Year's resolution. They can decide to be a consistent blood donor, and it really makes such a difference.
That's very, very important. So we understand people who you said with chronic illnesses like, say, sickle cell. Absolutely. We understand that they always need those blood transfusions, but blood is also essential in medical emergencies and surgeries as well.
Yeah, unfortunately, oftentimes it's not predictable. And in those moments when the clinical team's working together, having every resource available for physicians and other providers is essential to saving patients' lives. So we do our best in the laboratory to be on call and be ready, but that's only possible with an adequate supply, and that's where the donors come in.
And I know a lot of times people really like to go out to a blood drive. Yep. So do you have some blood drives that are coming up soon that people can take part in?
We do. We always have blood drives running. My best advice is to go on redcrossblood.org. You just put in your zip code. You can see all the blood drives that are around you. We're running them all over South Carolina, down from Hilton Head all the way up to Myrtle Beach, Inlands, Columbia, everywhere. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can donate. We have mobile sites, so that would be at businesses who sponsor with us. We also have our fixed sites. At mobile sites, you can donate either whole blood or you can do a power red donation. At our fixed sites, you can also do platelet donations. So, and that's a really important aspect. We were talking before this, and the platelet donors are invaluable. So, you know, there's really endless opportunities to donate, so we encourage it.
Well, thank you both so much for being here and for letting us know why this is so important.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Now, if you would like to donate, then you can do so. There are several blood drives that are going on, and if you want to help out, there are blood drives that are happening right now across our area. Just visit the American Red Cross website for all of their donation sites. We've got a link under the big red box at live5news.com. Stay with us. We'll be right back.